Oh man, look at those lightning strikes. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at those. They're very
Hamburger.
nice, very pretty. Wow. Whoa. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Ugh. Holy crap, Dad! This thing is crazy! Holy crap! Never else it picked up so fast! Whoa. Oh, it actually kind of. Whoa! Whoa! Is this a dust storm? Is this a dust storm? Oh, yeah! It's a dust storm! Holy shit! Oh, oh my god! Oh my god, this thing is...
To feel the car move like that, it's just...
Oh, here it comes. Holy sh...
Whoa.
We've been tracking these all summer, and finally it came to us, you know?
This is the one, Dad. Wow, look at that. You're just gonna... Yay!
Now it's showing 8:45 and it's like right on us. You know?
Yeah, it's,
We haven't
this one's a
really...
doozy.
I know. Well, if we stay here till 9, that's what'll be happening.
Oh, no.
And that's only 9 minutes away, so it's not really getting a lot.
I don't know if we'll be able to get home too easily. Because you see how the storm is gonna move. We're gonna have to go through all of that.
Look at Prescott.
Oh, whoa! What is that?
Wow. I think we did good to stay right here, you know?
Yeah, me too.
Look at this.
Oh, look at that.
Right, that's the one we were climbing with Liam.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You know, now I think I understand what they meant by a 30% chance of heavy rain. Wow, did you hear that? Alright, let's do. Oh yeah, it didn't rain. Oh my god. Yeah, but my dad played at the water park. This was a year ago. Yeah, it's taking me this long to get this out because I was just so sad that I couldn't add this on there. Oh well. Look at him. They're very nice. He said, "Saucy baka, yeah." Alright, enough of that shit. As you may have already guessed, I had to mute that audio because there was a song playing that got copyright stricken across the world. It was a Kanye West song. So that aged like fine milk. It was I know God breathed on this. Yeah, that's what it was, and it went well with the lightning strikes. You know, like the bass going up and down, and like the kind of screams too. But no, whatever music group he belongs to, he took it down in every country on the planet, so that's cool. And Kanye, of course, please get help, even though you're an absolute narcissist, which is undeniable at this point. Good Lord, just get off social media. But yeah, good night, goodbye, and Merry Christmas.